Legs, legs, come on.
Oh!
Try to be dog.
Keep your head down. We're not going to put this ball in. Down. Good connection. Go again. Go again. Are you aiming for the guy?
2 times.
Let's see if we can hit the guy on the tractor. He lifted his head.
Then you run a video. What's wrong with you?
Well done. Okay, go again. Wait.
Ja.
Yes, sir.